Hey, how we doing? Well, here's the first of 4 of our tutorials today, and we're going to start with a lighthouse. There's 4 or 5 things we're going to do. We're going to correct the white balance, make the colors look a little punchier. We're going to straighten the lighthouse picture, because although the lighthouse is supposed to be on a bit of an angle, the horizon certainly shouldn't be. And we're going to clone out these wires down here, and we are going to export, resize, and export again. So let's get started. So you look at these colours, they look a little bit faded, don't they? So we're going to add a bit more punch to them. What we're going to do is we're going to select colours from our menu at the top of the screen. We're going to go to auto and we're going to select white balance. So straight away that looks a lot better. Now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to rotate the image slightly so the horizon is straight. Now you can do this by eye, but it does help a little bit if you drag a ruler down. So drag it down somewhere about the midpoint there. And then if you use the rotate tool, which you can find in the toolbar, you're going to click and hold and select rotate. Now what you've got to do, excuse moi, is rotate your image until that line is straight across the horizon. And there we go. Now, forgot one more thing. We are going to crop the image as well, because obviously we don't want like these corner pieces here showing. So we're going to select the crop tool, and all we've got to do is just drag a box. We're going to keep the focus on the lighthouse. So maybe about there. Might just bring this side in just a little bit. Oops, didn't work quite as I expected. There we go. Okay, so grab the squares in the corner. And when you're happy, just click inside the picture and it will crop for you. Okay, now the next thing that we need to do is we need to get rid of these wires. Now, I'm just going to press Control and I'm going to roll the mouse wheel so I can zoom in. And to get rid of these wires, I'm going to use the clone tool. So the clone tool is this tool up here. If it's not there, it could be on the perspective clone, it could be on the healing, but we're going to go with a clone there. And now what I need to do is the brush size look. Okay, so what I want to do on my keyboard, I've got some square brackets right near the enter key. And if I tap them, so I'm tapping the one on the right, it makes the brush bigger. If I tap the one on the left, it makes the brush smaller. So I want the brush to be slightly bigger than the object I'm trying to remove. And then I'm going to press Control on the keyboard and click. So I've done that a little bit away from the actual wire itself. And then I'm going to paint over the wire. And it's going to take the pixels from where I selected as I do it. Now, you get a little problem with this sometimes, as it generates a pattern and the human brain is so quick at picking up patterns. So it's a good idea to take samples from different areas, and that way you don't accidentally create a pattern. So I'm going to finish this off. I'm going to make it go fast forward so you don't have to listen to me or watch in regular speed while I finish the wires. Go. All the wires are gone. Position that in the center so we can see it. Perfect. Right, get rid of this line. Doesn't really exist, so you just click on it, drag it up out of the way, and there's our finished lighthouse. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this. So I'm going to go to File, choose Export As, and it is going to go into my downloads folder, which is fine. I'm going to give it a new name on the end, so I'm just going to put and underscore and put new on the end. That way it doesn't overwrite the original image that I had. Click export. Gives me a few options. That will be fine. And there we go. Now, here's the thing, something else that's useful. What if we want to put this on a website? We're going to need the image to be quite a lot smaller. So we did this the other week. Image, scale image. I'm going to change the width so it's only 200 pixels wide. The height will change on its own and click scale. So now I'm going to export that again. And this time on the end of new, I'm going to type small. And export. And there we go. That's the Lighthouse task completed.